I am Ashur Anam. Welcome to our weekly magic tips. Today, I will revisit the pressure washing technique for you. I have done, I believe, weekly magic tips number 65 and 66. Those were about pressure washing your relationships and pressure washing any suppressed anger, judgment, and some of the non-beneficial energies. Today, let's focus on pressure washing the planet. So first, let me actually show you the pressure washing image, just a sample so you remember or it's refreshing. Uh, so this is pressure washing driveway. You have water coming out of the hose at high speed, and it's cleaning the driveway, and you see all the dirt and everything, all the debris are coming out as you're pressure washing the driveway. So think about, in a similar way, you're pressure washing the planet, country by country, continent by continent. So I will show you a world map and we will go through it together. What are you pressure washing? All kinds of things that are not beneficial. You can have your priorities, or you can focus on certain ideas or intentions when you run through it by yourself or in your mind. But together, let's focus on pressure washing any kind of global anger, judgment, hatred, non-beneficial energies, any kind of abuse, oppression. Those are pretty major. Then we can focus more on pressure washing ideas that are not beneficial, pressure washing different governments, pressure washing organizations, pressure washing pharmaceutical industries, weapons industries, gasoline industries, energy and utility industries, wireless technology. Think about pressure washing different types of industries so we can purify them, meaning things that are not beneficial for people or the planet or the environment. We can pressure wash those energies out of those companies, out of humanity, and out of the planet, and flush them out. And as a result, Earth becomes purified. So Earth becomes like this, the lighter picture here, as opposed to this where you see a lot of dirt and debris here. So let me show you a map of the world. There you go. So we can focus on pressure washing either from left to right going this way, or we can go from top to bottom going this way. Okay, and where you see world map here, your hose or the water and energy and the sound and everything coming out of the hose could be that wide. So you're going all the way, especially on the continent, from here, all this area, you're pressure washing these areas, then you're going up, pressure washing these areas all the way down, then you're going up, pressure washing these areas all the way down, and then you're going up, pressure washing these areas all the way down, and you continue that, go through the entire plant. Once you do it, you can continue to repeat it with other ideas. Maybe purifying the food and agricultural industries, pressure washing GMO industries and bringing in more organics, pressure washing pharmaceutical industries and medical industries and other industries so that we can bring in a stronger vibration of health and wellness energies on the planet. Then focus on pressure washing entertainment industries, pressure washing news and media industries. So you can run the process on many industries. What will happen as a result? When you clean your driveway, when you pressure wash your driveway, it's sparkly clean. right? So think about that. You are cleansing the planet and you're cleansing humanity and all life on Earth. When more of us come together and join in the process, let's say 5,000 of us, 10,000 of us, or a million of us, and we go through it repeatedly, then we will raise the collective vibration and energetically we detox the planet because we amplify the energies of things that are beneficial. So we bring in stronger vibration and we dissolve and flush out non-beneficial energies. And when you're pressure washing the planet, if you happen to throw some debris on the moon or Venus or somewhere else, I think it's okay. Okay. So you can also keep your eyes open as you go through the process. Um, I will take you through the journey. I'll just mention that close your eyes, but you can open it anytime. And if you're comfortable keeping it open while you are going through the pressure washing, that's fine. Gently close your eyes, focus on your heart, and begin to breathe in and out. Let's bring up spiraling earth energies from the center of earth and allow those energies to come up through your lower chakras and your feet for grounding. And let's bring down the spiraling rays of the sun through your higher chakras and your crown. You are inside a vortex between the earth and the sun. Allow the energies to gradually get stronger and notice your sensations. I'm now placing a holographic pressure washing hose in front of you. Simply grab it and notice there's an on and off switch. Simply turn it on. Notice high frequency information, beams, energies, sound waves, light matrices, all coming out of that hose. Let's begin to pressure wash the entire planet. If you want, you can look at the world map. For the next few minutes, on your own, let's just simply go through the pressure washing process. As you're pressure washing, all the non-beneficial energies and toxins from Earth get flushed out of the planet at full force. You can imagine them going into a universal recycling bin where the information gets recycled. If you are guided to pay more attention on any particular area after you have gone through the whole planet once, then you can pay attention to that area and do some deep pressure washing. Let's wrap up the process. Let's come back to your present moment. Wrap your hands together and gently open your eyes. Welcome back. It's a very powerful process to go deep inside an area or into an event or a situation and really flush out deep core debris or suppressed patterns and non-beneficial information. So for the next 1 week and then continue please, but at least for the next 1 week, let's do a lot of very deep pressure washing for the entire planet. And it doesn't take long. So you could be between some tasks and just spend 3 minutes on the process or 5 minutes on the process. Run the process for the planet, run the process for different faiths, different organizations, different industries, and run the process for your life too. And please revisit the other pressure washing videos for a relationship and also for detoxing some of your deep core patterns. So thank you for joining. Please feel free to share the video with as many people as you know, so when we can come together and amplify the energies, we can notice the benefits faster. So thank you. Have a magical rest of your day and rest of the week.